SICE Marine's Water Pump Repair Kit. OEM 61A-W0078-A2-00, designed for 150 horsepower, 175 horsepower, and 200 horsepower Yamaha V6 outboard engines, including both two-stroke and four-stroke models. This complete repair kit ensures reliable water circulation, helping prevent overheating, extend engine life, and maintain strong, consistent performance on the water. Compatible with a wide range of Yamaha models from 1992 and newer, including F200, F225, F250, Z200, and Z300, and replacing superseded part numbers such as 61A-W0078-A1-00 and A3-00. It delivers OEM-level fitment and dependable cooling performance. Built with marine-grade stainless steel and durable neoprene rubber, this kit offers excellent corrosion resistance and long-lasting durability, backed by Ice Marine's trusted quality and precision manufacturing, available at iceboatparts.com, via email at seller@icemarine.cc, or WhatsApp +8869664686632.